Senator for North Carolina.
Mr. President, we're all representative of heroes and idols, and clearly my colleague from Oklahoma points several out from his home state. Mr. President, I ask unanimous consent that I complete my remarks before we go to the vote this afternoon.
Without objection.
Mr. President, I rise today to support the nomination of Miguel Cardona to be the next Secretary of Education. He has the background, qualifications, and the temperament to serve in this position. Dr. Cardona has a meteoric rise from a classroom teacher to a school principal to a commissioner of education for the state of Connecticut. I'm glad the President's nominated him to lead the education department in such a challenging time for our nation's schools. COVID-19 related school closures have led to significant learning losses, with millions of children stuck at home, trying to learn. Parents are at their wits' end because many of the adults running public schools across our country are failing to actually follow the science. We should be seriously talking about reopening schools as quickly as possible. That's what the science tells us. That's what students need. Dr. Cardona testified before the Senate Health Committee. He stressed the need for students to get back to school, and I'm glad that's now finally a bipartisan mission. At the same time, each school district, college, university, state, and local community faces different circumstances in dealing with this pandemic. Trying to treat them as a monolith instead of providing flexible advice for states and localities to use if applicable and useful would be a mistake. Dr. Cardona said he understands that one-size-fits-all mandates from Washington won't work. Dr. Cardona also agreed to be responsive to our oversight requests and to keep us updated on his plans and department action. We won't agree on everything, but we should be able to find places where we can agree and we can move forward. I support the nomination of Dr. Cardona and look forward to working with him, and I encourage my colleagues to support his nomination as well.